Infrared was discovered by Sir William Herschel, who lived from 1738 to 1822. He discovered this during an experiment in which he formed a sunlight spectrum and used a thermometer to test if colors delivered different amounts of heat. He discovered during this experiment that the temperature rose as he moved the thermometer closer to the red end of the spectrum. However, instead of the temperature falling after passing the red, the temperature rose even higher. Herschel had discovered what he liked to call calorific rays, later known as infrared, meaning below the red.
Infrared radiation is used in various applications, such as medical purposes, industrial purposes, and scientific purposes. Remote controls are a common use of infrared energy. The waves are beyond the visible light spectrum and are used to change the channel on a television. Infrared wavelengths used by remote control, such as a Wii remote, are shorter and emit less heat than a longer wavelength, like the infrared waves sent by the sun. Night vision devices use active infrared illumination to allow us to observe animals and other people without being detected. Infrared astronomy is used by sensored equipment for telescopes for the observation of dust regions of space, such as molecular clouds, or to detect planets and redshifted objects. Also, thermal imaging cameras are used to detect the loss of heat in insulated systems, the flow of blood in the skin when it changes, and overheating of electrical apparatus. On the electromagnetic spectrum, infrared radiation is between visible radiation and microwave radiation. This is because infrared radiation has a longer wavelength than visible radiation, but is shorter than the microwave radiation wavelength. In regards to frequency, infrared radiation frequency is more than microwave radiation, but less than visible radiation. Furthermore, the photon energy of infrared radiation has a larger range than microwave radiation, but is smaller than visible radiation.
The infrared wavelength is 10 to the power of -5 meters, about the size of a pinpoint or a human cell. In other words, the infrared wavelength is microscopic and impossible to see with the naked eye. Velocity of light equals frequency in hertz times the wavelength in meters.
Infrared waves are generated by heat that is emitted by all objects. This heat can be used to make thermal images and can also be used in order to detect objects in space that are naked to the human eye otherwise. The wavelength of an infrared wave is longer than the wavelength of a visible light wave. Therefore, infrared waves can move easily through gas and dust without absorption. Here we can see Saturn's aurora through an infrared scope. Earth itself and its surface also emits infrared radiation. This can be used to look at the surface of the Earth and to detect ocean and ice changes, map deforestation and wildfires, and even soil moisture and disease.
A perfect example of the use of the EMR Strata infrared is the Wii Remote, which has waves that are 940 nanometers in length.
Let's play my favorite game. Okay, on pairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one? The flashlight frights. Yeah, okay.
It's dangerous to go alone, take a flashlight each, and dispel the ghosts by shining the light at them. What does that even mean?
Let's look at the controls. Point the Wii remote to shine your flashlight. If your partner gets caught by a ghost, dispel it right away. Alright, let's play. Hi Destiny, it's me and you.
Okay.
Alright then.
Okay.
Jeez. Dude, that one moves.
It's a lot scarier the first time. You're boss at this game.
Oh gosh. No, get out of my face.
The red one, I don't like it.
It's like pink or something. Ah! It's super hard to kill it. Oh, hi.
What are you looking at, Lacey?
Oh gosh. Was that like the boss or something? Oh gosh. Yeah.
Let's do something a little more like interactive. We gotta
Yeah.
get the blood pumping a little bit.
Let's play Just Dance 2. Why can't we play the first one?
Everyone knows that game is garbage.
Shh, let's just play. Haha, putty.
Oh. Why is this called rescue?
Just wait. My jam, dude.
How does this Wii remote connect to the Wii and like know what we're doing?
Oh, well, you see the black part on the top of the Wii remote? It uses infrared rays and it connects all the way to the box. And it tells you what we're doing.
Oh. You done?
Thanks you guys so much for coming.
Thanks for having us over.
Yeah.
Thanks for the pizza.
Have fun.
Yeah, it was good pizza.
Yeah.
Thanks for teaching us about infrared rays.
Yeah. I can't do this! I'm using the wrong feet. Oh well, it doesn't matter. It's just your hands, right?
Ready?
Yeah, stop.
I'm sorry.
The infrared wavelength is 10 to the power of negative.
That would have worked.
Wait, that was right?
It would have worked.
Okay, I'm starting over.
I don't know how to play.
Dude, how do you do this? What do you even do?
Just go with
What are the controls? What are the controls? Oh god.
Press it 20.
What do you do? How do you do this? You have to like. What do you even do?
Oh, I'm out. Wait, my horse. You have to.
Let the dog get out of the
Doggy.
shot.
Jack, Jack.
Jack,
Okay, ready? I just took the lead, Justin. Ah!
What?
I just took your lead.
I'm so far behind. Why are we getting out? Just do the hand.
The horn. Ow. A perfect example of the use of the EMR Strata infrared is the Wii Remote.
It's not even that funny.
Alright, oh my god, alright. Yeah, you're looking into my soul.
No, it's not that hard, Tristan.
A perfect example of the, seriously? She's laughing, I'm sorry. Go away.
Lexi.
A perfect example of the use of the EMR Strata. Lexi, stop.
Lexi, walk out of the room. Walk out of the room.
You're sitting
Walk
there
out of the
laughing.
room.
Walk her out. Just creep it in. The use of the EMR Strata infrared is the